Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm so happy to be back on my channel English with Palvasha. It's been a while since I uploaded, but you know what? Sometimes taking a short break helps you come back fresher, stronger, and full of ideas. So today I thought let's start with something fun, easy, and super useful. We're going to fix 5 English sentences that most people use wrong every single day. Are you ready? Let's start that. Sentence number one is I didn't knew that. So the correct one is I didn't know that. Many learners forget after didn't, we always use the base form of the verb. So it's not didn't knew, it's didn't know. So the easy rule is didn't plus the base verb. I hope you got the gist of it. Now, the sentence number two is she is good in English. Wrong. So the correct one is she is good at English. After the word good, we use at, not in. For example, he is good at cooking. I'm good at teaching English. So from now, always say I'm good at English. Now, the sentence number three is discuss about the topic. The correct is discuss the topic. The word discuss already means talk about. So you don't need to say about again. Just say let's discuss the topic of pollution or any topic which you want to. You can say let's discuss the topic of verbs. Any topic which you want to. Topic of. Let's discuss the topic of, and then put the topics now. The sentence number four is she said me to come. Wrong. The correct one is she told me to come. Remember, this golden rule say is used without a person, tell is used with a person. Clear? You can write it, make notes, and please keep this golden rule in your mind forever. For example, she said that she's tired, but she told me to wait. But she told me to wait. Now, I hope you got the clear gist of it. Now, the last sentence, which is my favorite, and it's very, very important, the fifth sentence is I'm feeling cold. Okay, sometimes, but the better alternative is it's cold today or I feel cold. Both are correct, but I'm feeling cold is used only for temporary moments, like if you just stepped outside. If you're talking generally, say it's cold today. This sounds more natural, honestly. So, how many of these did you already know? Comment below and tell me your score 5 out of 5 or maybe 3 out of 5. And tell me, should I make part 2 of this video? I have so many more sentences that we all use wrong. Thank you so much for welcoming me back. Your support always means the world to me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because this time we are learning English together every single day. Inshallah. This is Palvasha signing off. See you in the next video. Bye bye.